I've seen the worst government ever. A clueless government. The government that knew nothing and did nothing. The government that turned this country upside down. Instead of moving forward, Malawi was moving fast but backwards. Malawi Congress Party has taken us back in 1930s, where access to food, education, health care, among others, was impossible. Mr. Speaker, sir, the SONA that was delivered in here by President of the Republic of Malawi is the only roadmap to a prosperous Malawi. It gives us answers to the challenges that Malawi is facing now. Mr. Speaker, sir, we have to commend Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika and the DPP-led government for taking money from capital city to the constituencies. There is no government that did this before. We are so blessed to have Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika as the President of the Republic of Malawi. With 5 billion, Mr. Speaker, sir, Malawi has been liberated from evil. Malawi has been healed, and Malawi is free from poverty. That money, 5 billion, is so huge to our constituencies, and it will help us to build schools, it will help us to build roads, it will help us to build bridges, it will help us to build health centers, it will help us to eradicate poverty in Malawi. Ndi mwayi wanzama wopalasa ndi manja. Mr. Speaker, sir, before I resume my seat, my heart is broken. I live in sorrow. I live in fear, and my hands and legs are cut. One thing I have not noticed in this life, why is it
Honour member for the
like that each time our friends in oppositions are in opposition, we lose prominent figures in this country. In 1963, we lost people in Wamuuza. And in June 2024, we have lost prominent figures. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, what pains me most, we have lost a sister, the only pilot female in the army, in the name of Flora Ngwilinji. That lady was my sister. He was a beacon, he was a pillar. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, this is a great loss to the people of Malawi and to the people of Cholo, Konjeni, Mangunda. But I'm happy that the Minister responsible, Minister of Justice, has taken the responsibility that he will make the inquiry and the truth will be known. We can't continue losing prominent, important people in this country
Honour members,
like that.
Hold on, honour members.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Wait. Honour members, I'm wondering why the honour member at the back is standing, the lady honour member. You, I don't know why you are standing. What? The honorable member still has 2 minutes and is presenting a maiden speech. Honorable member, consider winding up. We don't have much time, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as I've put it, we are so heartbroken that we did not even see the face of our sister when his body was in the casket, because the government did not give us that chance. We are calling for fresh investigation.
Club Junta, building better Africa.